Hi everyone, it's Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for today's practice, which is going to be all about opening up and creating space in the body. So this practice is going to be perfect for those hot summer days where we don't want to overheat or overexert ourselves, but we still want to find movement, we still want to find a stretch. So when you're ready, let's begin. Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting in a comfortable seat on our mat. And if we're taking a cross-legged seat today, I would say maybe have one leg in front of the other, just giving yourselves a little bit more room to air rather than having the legs on top of one another. Just give yourself a little bit of space in the lower body. Sit up on a block or a pillow if you need to. Let's bring the hands to the knees. And just take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. We can close the eyes if that feels comfortable. And just giving yourself a moment at the beginning of your practice to settle in, to find your breath, to find your center. And then keeping the eyes closed if you wish, or we can open the eyes back up. We're going to take the hands either side of the hips, and as we inhale, let's reach the arms up and overhead. As we exhale, just lower the arms back towards the mat. Deep breath in as we lift the hands up. Exhale as we just let the arms fall. Take a few breaths just like this. Every inhale we lift. Every exhale, we lower. Just connecting movement with breath here. We're not trying to do anything too fancy. Just inhaling as we lift. And exhale as we lower. Good, one more time. Inhale as we lift up. And exhale, take your fingertips down towards the floor, straighten out the arms so we've got a little bit of space in between the body and the arms, and then take the right ear over to the right shoulder. And we can just stop right here, letting the head feel heavy. Breathing in through the left hand side of your neck. And then we can switch across to the other side. Landing with the left ear towards the left shoulder. Shoulders are down and away. Take a deep breath into the right hand side of your neck. Good, and then we can come back in to center. Good, from here we're going to come forwards and meet in our tabletop. So on the hands and the knees. Take the knees as wide as you need to here to give yourself some space. And as we inhale, drop the belly, point the tailbone up, gaze forwards. Exhale to round the spine and tuck the chin. Inhale as we drop the belly. Exhale as we round the spine. So once again, we'll just link this movement up with our breath. Taking deep breaths here. Full inhales all the way down into the belly. And releasing exhales, just letting go of any heat. Just a few more breaths here. Good, and then after your next round, let's come back and meet in center. And if you don't already, go ahead and take the toes together at the back. Open those knees nice and wide as the mat if that feels good. We're going to bring the left hand into the center of the mat and reach the right fingers up towards the sky. And we can stay still here, just reaching up and away, or we can find a few big circles with the arm. Just slow circles, opening up through the right shoulder. Next time we inhale, we'll reach those fingertips up to the sky. Next time we exhale, thread the needle. Drop the right shoulder, the right ear to the floor, and then walk the left fingers to the top of your mat. Just settling into this position, breathing deep. Welcoming that stretch through the upper back. Good, and then bring that left hand back beside the face, and then return in to center. Right hand comes into the center of the mat now as the left hand reaches up to the sky. Again, it's up to you if you want to remain still, or maybe we find some big circles with that left arm. And these don't have to be huge, big circles. They don't have to be too quick. They don't have to feel too forceful. Just enough movement so that we're starting to open up through the shoulder joint and we're starting to get that stretch across the upper back. Next time we inhale, we lift the arm up. As we exhale, we'll thread the needle, left shoulder, left ear towards the mat. Right fingers can walk to the top of your mat here as we just relax into this position. Just find your breath here. Surrender down to the mat. Good, and then 2, release the right hand comes back beside the face and we press our way back to center. Nice. From here, let the knees come in underneath of our hips and we're going to drop down to the elbows. Keep those hips high and over your knees. And if this is enough, we can stay here. If we want to go for a deeper pose, we find our puppy pose by extending the arms forwards, letting the chest melt down towards the floor. And even if it feels good, we might take those arms a little bit wider, as if we're reaching to the top corners of the mat. You can let the head hang nice and heavy. We can bring the forehead to the mat. Take 3 deep breaths here. Good, and then slowly release exactly how we got in. We can walk the hands back to center. Meet me back in your tabletop. And let's get ready here for our first downward facing dog. So we'll spread those fingers wide, we'll tuck the toes under, and then lift your knees and your hips, find your downward dog. And you can find stillness here, or maybe you want to pedal out those feet. Maybe bringing a little bit of a twist into the hips. Good, let's come back into stillness. Downward facing dog for a full breath in. And a full releasing breath out. And then look into the center of your mat, somewhere between the hands and the feet. We're going to walk the feet into center, and then we're going to walk the hands back into our forward fold. And take your feet either hip distance or a little bit wider here. Take hold of opposite elbows and just find a little sway from side to side. Releasing your spine, relaxing the back of the neck. Good, and then come back in to center. We're going to keep hold of the elbows and slowly roll yourself all the way up, coming into standing. The elbows are going to lift up towards the sky as we roll the shoulders back and shine the heart forwards. Opening up through the entire body here. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. And then let go of the elbows and just come in to center. Good. From here, we just want to stand up tall and maybe give a few big rolls through the shoulders, just bringing them up towards the ears, letting them release back and down. You can let the elbows come out to the side if they need to. Don't worry how this looks. We're just opening up. Good, and then eventually come back to center. We're going to sweep the arms up and back and down, just finding some nice big circles here. Again, it doesn't really matter what this looks like. This is just opening up. We're creating movement. We're creating energy. So breathe deep. Good, and then the next time that we have both arms reaching up, we're going to stop, take hold of the right wrist, and then dive yourself over to the left. Just holding it here. Every breath, we're expanding that right hand side of the body. Good, come back through center, take hold of the left wrist and dive yourself over to the right. Again, just finding the breath. Every inhale, we expand. Good, come back through center and then drop your hands to your heart. We're going to come into this little Anjali Mudra here, this little prayer pose with the hands, and we're going to turn ourselves to face the long edge of our mat. We're going to step those feet nice and wide, and then from here point the left toes towards the front of your mat. Keep those back toes facing the long edge, and inhale as we lift the hands up to shoulder height. Exhale as we bend the front knee. Find your warrior two. Good, we just hold it here. We're breathing. We can choose to stay here, or we can drop the back hand onto the back leg, flip the front palm open and reach up and back. Take a deep breath. And then return back to warrior two. Good, let the hands come back through center as we straighten out the front knee. Turn all of the toes to once again face the long edge of the mat. And then exhale as we fold forwards into our wide-legged forward fold. We can stop halfway. We can drop the hands to the legs or to the floor. Just find a few deep breaths here. And if it feels good, we can walk those hands a little bit further away from our body. One more breath. And then we can walk the hands back in towards the feet, hands to heart center, and then press yourself up into standing. Good, we're going to find warrior two on the other side. So turn the right toes to face the back of your mat. Inhale as we lift the arms up. Exhale as we find warrior two to the back of our mats. Just holding, breathing. We can choose to stay here, or we can drop the back hand, flip the front palm open and reach up and back, opening up through the right hand side of the body. One more breath. And then coming back, passing through your warrior two, we bring the hands together, straighten the knee, and then we can heel toe the feet back together. Good. From here, let's take a little walk towards the top of our mats. We're going to bring ourselves down onto our bum, have the soles of the feet on the floor, have the knees bent up, and take the feet nice and wide here. So giving yourself lots of space. And we're just going to windshield wiper the knees from side to side. And maybe as the knees fall one way, we can send our gaze over the opposite shoulder. Good, eventually come back into center. We're going to roll ourselves down onto our back. We can hold onto the back of the thighs until we get there. And then eventually come down to the back. And once we get here, it might feel nice to bring the knees in. Maybe take a little rock from side to side, just releasing out the lower spine. And then eventually settle back into center. We're going to drop soles of the feet to the floor, open the knees wide, and find our reclined butterfly pose. And we can either take the arms out to the side, maybe lie palms facing up, or maybe we can bring the arms up and overhead, maybe holding on to opposite elbow or forearms. And then just close down your eyes. Just sending that message to your body that it is time to stop. And that it is time to come back into stillness. To reconnect with our breath, to reconnect with our center. And just let the body be breathed. There's no forcing the breath here, we're just letting it find its own natural ebb and flow. Every inhale, filling yourself up with fresh, new air, new energy. And every exhale, letting go of any leftover heat, any tension that we've released, any stress, let it go. Find your last few breaths here. And if we wish to stay here for a little bit longer, we might pause the video at this point. We might stay here. Or if, for whatever reason, we have to go about the rest of our day, we can start to release the arms, we can start to bring the knees back together, and then we can think about making our way nice and mindfully into a comfortable seat on our mats. And namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed that little flow. You can let me know down below. If you like this video, please give it a like, please give it a hype. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.